Welcome back, everybody, and if you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by. Consider subscribing. So, if you've been around for a while, you know I have quite a bit done to this course, and I've been building this course over and over for a few years now, ripping it down, building new stuff, doing this, doing that, and got the racetrack over there. So you also know I just love doing RC of all kinds. And I think our newest thing we're going to be doing is a construction course. And I think we're going to butt it right up against the crawler course. So we are just going to start off with a job office and this dirt pile. And I'm going to take a cultivator, kind of grind up the grass across the front of this and make a road over here to this compost pile. Got some dirt there. I need to do some work to my track. We had a lot of rain, kind of washed my jumps away. And also want to build a road across here leading over to the mulch, which will be eventually connected to the garage on the other side with a sidewalk coming around, so I can run my trucks, trailers, my crawlers. Micro crawlers fit on a good bit of this course. There's part of an actual micro crawler course, and I'll have my racetrack. So I should be able to step out in the backyard and do about any RC adventure I wish. I'm gonna get started on this, and hope you enjoy the ride. Raspberry brake. Okay. Oh, now I just gonna get my shadow out of the way. We have burnt ground and burnt and raked all through here. There we go, walk backwards. Oh, now I'm gonna get the excavator out and run it around a little bit. Maybe pour a little water on our fire we got going on here. Well, that's where we're going to stop today. I think we've made some good progress. I encountered a little problem with my loader. I just bought that off eBay used, and it seems that I have rear-wheel drive but not front-wheel drive, and definitely need all four wheels going to move that heavy thing around. I contact the seller and see what to do about that. But yeah, that's going to be the beginning of our construction course out here. So stay tuned. I'll be adding more equipment, more features, build some more roads, and hopefully this will start looking pretty decent after a while. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope you have a great day.